Lakewood's culture is incredible. I think it's the one thing that differentiates us from any other healthcare system. The culture is how we recruit, it's how we retain high-performing employees, it's why patients choose to come here.
I think recognition is the driver for any future growth. It's a builder for, our customer experience. The happier our employees are, the more valued our employees feel, the more valued our patients feel. Our patients feel that in their care when our employees truly feel recognized.
We value our employee experience greatly here at Lakewood. So our goal is to have every employee showing up daily to have an employee experience that they can do their very best in. Bucketlist allows us to create that sense of teamwork, create that sense of individual belonging at a large organization. And folks that come into Lakewood immediately feel welcomed to a bigger community.
A lot of organizations boast like, oh, we have great culture, but we live that culture here at Lakewood. It's something that I've never seen before, and that's what's actually driven me to relocate from Kansas to work at this organization. It's something I haven't found anywhere else. It is welcoming, it is warm. You are a part of something, regardless of your role or your title, you're all in it together.
I think sometimes as an employee in healthcare, it can feel like a thankless job at times. So I think recognition from management as well as peer-to-peer, department to department is so important just to feel like a team and feel included within the organization.
I think the bucket list has helped connect us more. You get to read the whole feed for the whole organization, and you get to see how other people that you run into every day, you can see their faces, and you can see how they are affecting other people in the organization or patients.
A lot of times when we think about labor and delivery, we think about all the wonderful times and experiences that we have with these families, which is 100% a great part of our jobs. But there are shifts that are very stressful and can be very long and taxing on our staff. So really working as a family, as a team, and pulling together on even those hard emotional shifts and shouting those staff members out that do come in on their days off and are working those long shifts is so important to keep that morale up.
When you talk about bucket list, people immediately get the warm fuzzies because they know that means that an individual or a team has been recognized for doing great work. Bucket list makes people notice how people show up more. Our team members are far more aware of what other team members are doing to show up for their teams, show up for our patients, show up for our residents. We integrate our values, we integrate rewards that our team members care about. It feels local, it feels personal. That's the difference.
The reminder that we go back to at the end of the day, it's people, and that's really what drives our organization. They're the biggest opportunity driver and also your biggest potential pain point. And so having a platform that encourages that positivity and builds your culture is money well spent.
We participate in an engagement survey every year. And I would say since we've implemented Bucketlist, you can look at our engagement survey and you can see higher retention, you can see less turnover.
Lakewood is definitely in a growth mode right now. We've been adding primary care docs and we're opening up our cancer center. And so in order to make that growth happen, it needs to be powered by people. That's going to be the limiting factor when we want to grow as an organization strategically. I think having Bucketlist has really enhanced our retention. It's helped with recruitment. It's added to our culture. And so that just drives that growth strategy for us. Additionally, engagement is a specific component of our strategic plan. It's increased engagement. We've seen that in our scores. That's just not a statement. It's actually proven. So it's been definitely beneficial for our strategic goals as well.
Even though Bucketlist is the platform, it feels very much like Lakewood. Like our organization shines through it. It's a part of our DNA. Like you can't say recognition at Lakewood without saying Bucketlist. That's what it is.